Hello everybody. In today's video I want to show you a couple of ETS tips that I believe will reduce your programming times by quite a lot. The first tip I want to show you is the shortcuts that exist in ETS. Some of you may know this, but I believe this is known to a lot of integrators. And one I like a lot is the shortcut for linking group addresses. I'm going to show you how quickly, using this shortcut, you can link group addresses. I'm going to take this Z41. I'm going to just unlink all the existing group addresses. And you would regularly press right button, link with, write the group address, and okay. But if you use the shortcut, I'm pressing just Ctrl E, Ctrl E, Ctrl E. And you can see how this process can be done much quicker than it is usually done with the right button click. Now, I'm going to unlink everything. This is actually the main configuration, the default configuration in a Z41. And I'm going to show you another little trick, another tip, to program from a Z41 in one version to a different application program version of another Z41. So you can see we have two different configurations, and I'm going to copy the configuration in the Z41 3.1 to the configuration in the new Z41 with application program 3.5. Yeah. To do this, first thing I like to do is split the panels vertically, and I'm going to open a new panel with all the devices. So I'm selecting in the right panel Z41 3.5 and just leaving the main view. And in the left panel, I've selected the Z41 3.1 and again leaving just the main view. And please notice I'm highlighting changes in the left panel. So now all I have to do is copy whatever has been changed in the Z41 3.1. And because it's highlighted, it's quite easy to follow. So I'm going to menu. I know the name has been changed and I know page 1 has to be selected. I'm going to page 1. I'm going to highlight changes here as well in the left panel. I think it makes it easier. And just, you can see how easily this is copied. I don't have to go and change from one view to another. I just have to see what's in the left side and do the same thing in the right side. That's box 2. Consumption monitor. You all know it can take a lot of time to change the application program, for example in Z41 from 3.1 to 3.5. So I really hope this is something you find useful. You can see now this is taking around 5 minutes, 4 minutes to copy all the parameters in the Z41, just because we do not have to change from one view to another. We have it all in the same screen, and we are just duplicating what we have on one side into the other side. And once now we finish with the parameters, we just go to the group objects. And because the order is pretty much the same, I'm going to just reduce the view a little bit and try to get the group addresses. Now, because the order is very much the same in application programs 3.1 and 3.5, you can see I'm just linking one group address to the same group address in the other side. Now, I'm going to speed this up just a little bit, but you can see how it's just linking from one side to another. And one thing you probably want to do is keep group addresses aligned. You see at the end, we've aligned these at the bottom, so it's still aligned. And we just drag from one side of the screen to the other side of the screen. Hope you liked the video, hope you found the tips useful, and hope you use them. Thanks for watching.